and the credentials. So if I edit this session, you can see remote host is this URL, username is Ubuntu, and then in advanced SSH settings you have to mention the path to the private key. Okay, so what I'm planning to do is that I will share the private key with you also.
So are you using AWS anything for the server kind, or it is like
yeah. This is
okay.
This is my AWS server. Here it is running. So
okay, this is the same one, Abhilash, initially first session when we had with
correct.
yeah, same one, right? Same server only.
Yeah. The instance type is D2 2x large. So we have 8 vCPUs and 32 GB RAM. So there is no shortage of resource wise. But it will be charged like $0.376 per hour.
Oh, okay.
So that would be like 30 rupees per hour.
So, but why we are not using IISc one? It is
We can use that. Only thing is everyone is going to use that, and then we will
resource sharing again.
Yeah, clash will happen now.
Okay.
Yeah. So
I think this is exactly what this guy was also asking, right? Someone was telling if I take, it's up to you, is what professor was telling actually. I don't know what his name, Mahesh or someone.
yeah. So this public IPv4 DNS, right? This keeps changing when I stop and start. But this is what we want. Okay. This IPv4 address. So this I keep inside so here. So what I'll do is I'll remove this delete session and I'll add a new one.
Host, you have added that.
I'll show you how to add a new one. So
yeah, maybe if you can tell me from scratch, right? It will be easy and good actually.
So it would be, you won't have these two. You come here and click on session and then click on SSH. And then here I will share the string with you. And then specify a username. Then you have to mention here Ubuntu. And then in advanced SSH setting, this X11 forwarding should be ticked, then only that NR spoof will come for you. And then you have this option, use private key.
Okay.
And then you have to choose the private key. So this usually it would be in your users .ssh user, your username and .ssh. Here you will keep. So what is my 5G lab.pem file is what I'm going to share with you.
So I can save it somewhere in the local system and connect this there.
Right. So you can keep it like in this .ssh path only.
Okay.
And yeah, like this. And then when you click OK, that session would be saved and you log in just like that.
Okay. So this is your remote server. We are logging in through the same user credentials.
Yes.
Okay. So that X11 forwarding is that server is X11 server, huh?
X11 forwarding is for what I will tell you. So in this guide, if you see after some time when we run this, you get this. Where is that? Yeah, somewhere I just.
Because we use
this one, DL scope, right? This is a GUI,
Okay.
We are logging into a server with no desktop environment. So we need this window to appear in our laptop.
Okay.
So this is what I was telling, that I was able to get it done in Mac. I don't know how to get it done in Windows.
Okay.
So by using MobXterm, it's very straightforward.
Okay.
So that is what. So this is how it is. So now I will share with you that key.
No problem. I think post this session.
Anything required to configure for the tunneling, like in the browser or somewhere?
Nothing required.
Okay, port forwarding is not required.
No, attach something option is not there. Okay, well, I might need to share it via WhatsApp only. I'll share.
I'm trying to record through my phone now. I'm just.
Okay.
also put it inside our user and .sss folder. This file.
Yeah. You keep it in this. You go to C
SSH.
drive. Inside C drive, you will find your username.
Right.
Go to C drive, then users.
Okay.
Inside that, your username would be there. Then in .ssh. If you are not seeing the .ssh folder, then
I am not seeing actually.
yeah, you have to enable the hidden items here. You click on view and tick the hidden items. Anything with
Dot, I think.
starting with dot will not be visible by default. You on the folder above, you click on view and then here hidden items will be
Hidden items. Yeah, I did that.
able to see now.
Maybe is it in users is there or because
I
you're
can see
admin,
it
right?
here.
Yours user is at your name, right?
Yeah,
Abhilash?
Murulidaran.
Okay. Well,
Murulidaran, yeah.
I cannot see that file actually.
let me also
I
try
did
once.
I can see other dot files, but the SSS
Dot
one is
.ssh
not.
is not there. Then maybe you never had to use a .ssh till now. Then you can create a new folder called .ssh.
Okay. New folder. Okay.
And then keep that file inside here. Right, and then you have to come here and so what I will do now is restart.
How did you restart it? Session restart, huh?
No, I just closed it, but there is no chat option here. Huh?
In
Okay. They might have disabled it for the
yeah,
school
for the
people.
children, right? That's the reason I was telling.
Okay, probably chat thing we can continue on the
WhatsApp only then.
Yeah,
WhatsApp only.
yeah. It will be available also, right, for futuristic.
Yeah. So this is the URL that you need to keep.
That's the host name, right?
Yeah, that's the host name. So when you do click on session, then SSH,
Right.
then whatever string I shared that you put in remote host.
Ubuntu
Specify
says
yeah, Ubuntu.
some advanced setting we need to do. X11 forwarding only needs to be enabled.
Yeah. If it is already enabled,